Students, in this today's second practical, we will study optical fiber losses. So there are two types of losses, micro losses and macro losses. So here in this experiment, we have made connections as per this power supply is given to here, and here this is a function generator block. So from this function generator, we have to consider 100 Hz to 1 kHz output waveform, sinusoidal waveform. If you observe on CRO, it looks like this. Okay, so this input waveform we have to give to the pulse generator. This output of this sine wave is given to the analog buffer here. Okay, and output of this analog buffer is given to the transmit in. Okay, so simple connections are there, transmit in given, and then output of this SFH 756V is connected or given to the optical fiber cable. Okay, so that optical fiber is inserted here and tightened, and then that output, if you observe, it looks like this. Okay, so here red signal, this is a optical light is transmitted and which is inserted in this port and tighten that screw. Okay, then this optical light is transmitted through this optical fiber cable. Then in the receiving end at the signal conditioning circuit, we can observe the output waveform. Okay, so we will observe the output waveform. Okay, so this is the output waveform that that input signal we have transmitted through this optical fiber cable, and we are observing that output on CRO. So this first in the first case, we have taken the length of this optical fiber cable is 1 meter. Okay, so for 1 meter we have taken the reading, that output we are getting look like this. Now we have to increase the optical fiber length by 3 meter. So remove that optical fiber cable and insert the longer optical fiber cable of 3 meter here. And if we insert that optical fiber cable in these ports, observe here, again tighten the screw, and again observe here we are getting the output through this longer optical fiber cable, and insert that output to in this port. And if we observe with previous waveform, this is a optical fiber cable 3 meter we are using, this 3 meter optical fiber cable, that is length of optical fiber cable is increased. And if you observe the output on CRO, the amplitude of that signal, sinusoidal signal, is decreased. So from this case we can observe that if length of optical fiber increases, then attenuation increases or losses increases. So this is the first part of the experiments. Okay, thanks.